Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be handling the procurement process in Zoho Project. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to define our procurement needs. In Zoho Project, click on the Tasks and Milestones tab. Here, create a new task with the name of the item you wish to procure. The reason we do this is to keep all procurement needs in one place, making it easier to monitor our procurement process. Now that we've done that, let's invite vendors. Go to the Users and Permissions tab and click Invite Users. Enter the vendor's email address and assign them the vendor role. This helps us because it allows vendors to see our procurement needs and respond with their quotations. Next up, let's review the quotations. Once vendors submit their quotations, you'll receive a notification. Click on it to view the quotations. You can compare each vendor's offering based on price, delivery time, and other factors. Keep in mind, the lowest price isn't always the best choice. Factors like quality and reliability are also important. After reviewing the quotations, it's time to make a decision. Select the vendor that best fits your needs and budget. Once you've made your decision, go back to the Tasks and Milestones tab and update the status of the procurement task to In Progress. This helps us track the status of our procurement process. The last step is to receive the procured items. Once the items have arrived, update the status of the procurement task to completed. This is the final step of the procurement process, and it's essential because it allows us to close the loop on our procurement task, ensuring that we've received exactly what we ordered. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to handle the procurement process in Zoho Project. Remember, successful procurement is all about defining your needs, inviting the right vendors, reviewing their quotations carefully, making informed decisions, and ensuring delivery. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.